Hello, and welcome to the tutorial for the Forget-Me-Not Infinity Scarf pattern. What we're going to be doing is working into slip stitches from the previous row, and you can identify them by seeing these posts coming out from them. So we're going to be skipping these spaces here on either side of the slip stitches. So the first thing we're going to do is yarn over. We're going to insert our hook into the slip stitch we just finished working into. So we have this post here. We're going to work back into this slip stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, and we're going to work into the next slip stitch. So we skip these two chains and work into the slip stitch from the previous row, pull up a loop. We'll have 5 loops on our hook. We're going to make sure we don't pull too tight because we need to work into the back leg of this 5th loop when we're done pulling this loop through. Yarn over, pull through all 5, and then we're going to slip stitch into the back leg of that 5th loop. So we're going to yarn over and pull through that loop and the 2nd loop for a slip stitch. And we've created the 2 posts with the slip stitch on top. Now we chain 1. And we'll start our next stitch. Yarn over and go into the slip stitch we just finished working in. Pull up a loop. We have 3 loops. Yarn over, skip 2 chains, and go into the slip stitch from the previous row. Yarn over, pull up a loop. With the 5 loops on our hook, don't pull it too tight. Yarn over and pull through all 5 loops. Slip stitch into the back leg of the 5th loop, and chain 1. And that's it. So we'll do it one more time. Yarn over, go into that slip stitch we just finished working in, pull up a loop, yarn over, go into the next slip stitch from the previous row, and pull up a loop. We have 5 loops on our hook, pull through all 5 loops, and then slip into the back leg of that 5th loop we had made, chain 1. And that is the Forget-Me-Not Infinity Scarf stitch.